You're on.
Hi, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Coach Rob, and we got Shannon on the camera. Say hi, Shannon.
Hi.
We had a great job the other day in the kitchen tour. So we're gonna feature an item that we showed you in the kitchen tour. We're gonna try out our my Wilton cake donut pans, right? So we have the recipe in the Cooking with Coach Rob cookbook, and we have it like right here. See the Wilton Doughnut Pan. But for now, we're going to put this over here. We're going to follow the recipe. We've already done some steps already. We've got our 2 cups of sifted flour in our bowl already, one of our bowls. So we can put that back in the cupboard here. So that's in there. I'll put it up there for now. Then next on the recipe, preheat oven to 425. Spray donuts with non-stick cooking spray, but we'll do that in a step. In large mixing bowls, sift together flour, sugar, baking powder, nutmeg, and salt. Then add the buttermilk. So we've already got our flour here, so we're gonna put that in here, right? What we're gonna do is we didn't get the salt yet, so I'm gonna reach back here and get this salt, which is the Windsor table salt here, and we're actually going to take a quick break while I get the salt ready. So we got our 1 teaspoon of salt, so we're going to put that in the mix. We're going to put this over here. We can continue to roll when I put this back in the bag, and I'll put it away properly in a sec here. So I got that. I'll just put it aside for a sec. So we've got our salt in, our teaspoon of salt. Then we've got the cake flour, sugar. We've got our sugar already portioned out from the sugar bag. We've got our sugar, which in this case is 3/4 cup of sugar. So that's going to go in. So we got that in. Then it says add the nutmeg, which was such a tiny amount of nutmeg, it's only 1/4 teaspoon. I had to pay $8 for the bag of nutmeg, right, just to put that in, right? So we're going to put that back in here for now. And it just says to sift this together, but we got to put the baking powder in, right? The baking powder, it's asking for baking powder 2 teaspoons. So that's a teaspoon, Ron, right? That's a teaspoon?
Yep.
Okay. So we'll move that over here. We haven't done this one before, so this is kind of unique that we're doing it. So you want it just level, like. So that's 1. And we got our 2. I'd say that's pretty level, eh?
Mm-hmm.
So that's there. We'll put that in right here for now. And again, we'll just put this stuff over here for now. Then it says to, and we already put our salt in, right?
Yep.
In large mixing bowl, sift flour, cake flour, baking soda, nutmeg, and salt. Then add the buttermilk, eggs, and beat. So what we're going to do is we're just going to like sift this together, right?
Mm-hmm.
We do have our mixer ready. That's probably good, eh?
Yep.
You just want to sift it together. I'm sure somebody will comment in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share all my videos. We want to get as many viewers as possible. So right now we're putting in the 2 eggs that were lightly beaten. We've already done that. So we're going to put them in. Right? Okay. So they're in there. We're going to add our butter, which was in this case was 2 tablespoons of melted butter. So we did that when we were preparing. So we're going to put that in there. Okay. Now we're going to grab the from the fridge. We need the 3/4 of a cup of buttermilk, and is that the 3/4 one there? Yes, that's the 3/4 one. So we'll open up the Haley fridge, and we got the Island Farms buttermilk, and Shannon's calling a timeout, so we'll pause for a sec.
Go.
Okay, we're getting a low battery indication, so what we're going to do is we're gonna put the 3/4 of a cup in here. Then we're gonna take another quick break so I can whip it up. As you can see, we've got it mixed up with our KitchenAid mixer. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in the pans, but then we're going to show you the finished product in a few minutes. Okay, thanks.
You're on.
Hi, as you can see, I'm just finishing putting the cake batter in. So yeah, I got one more to do, so when that's done, we'll pop in the oven for 9 minutes and we'll show you the finished product. Thanks.
And you're on.
Yeah, as you can see, we're done using our Wilton cake pans for the donuts. We can see the finished project. To get the icing sugar, we just put some icing sugar in a bag and shook it up. I apologize, this episode is so short. We were running low on battery, so next time we'll do a more in-depth one where we'll show the mixing. But for now, happy eating, and remember to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video to as many friends as you can. Thanks. Bye for now.